Jai Hind all. Today I want to share my knowledge about Jamboard, how we use Jamboard in Google Classroom. See, one thing we have to take care about that. We are taking Google Classroom on our mobile, personal mobile or computer or laptop. Many options that we are able to see on laptop or personal computer, we are not able to see on our mobile. This Jamboard is one of the example. If you want to take Jamboard on mobile, then you have to upload another app of Google, that is Jamboard, on your mobile, and then you have to use it, and your mail ID of uploading Jamboard and taking your Google Classroom must be same, because whatever whenever we use Jamboard and whatever we have done on Jamboard, it is saved in Google Drive also. It is the best part, and this saving can be shared with your classes, another class also, and with your students also, if you want to share that. So while I am making you understand about using the Jamboard on laptop or PC, it is the best stand where we can use the Jamboard. In that, here the Jamboard is intact with the Google Classroom. Okay, we don't have to download anything. So first of all, start sharing your screen. When you start sharing your screen, share your screen so that your screen will be shared to all your students, and when you share the Jamboard, it will be seen to the students. After sharing your screen, click here to the three dots given and start using your Jamboard. See, here it is also written that choose from drive. If you have already used a Jamboard and it is saved in your drive, okay. So if you want to continue with that Jamboard, you can choose from the drive also, and if you want to start a new whiteboard, then you have to click here. Then we will get option of Jamboard. Here many options of writing and are given, like this is your pen. The pen color can be changed. The best part that I use is generally the text box. When you want to type here, then you have to check select the text box, and then you can use the keyboard or keypad for by typing here. The length of this text box will be immediately or automatically increased while writing. You can change the color also, you can delete, you can erase the options, and while filling all these you can change the writing letter, block letters, and writing text color also, orientation also, normal, here style you can change, here zoom can be changed, and if you want to erase at a time, then do undo. Okay, now one by one, if you want to use pen, then use it pen, and different colors are also given: blue, black, green, red. So eraser, if you used it, if you have used the pen like drawing something, like you want to show a circle or a triangle like this, and you want to erase it, then use the eraser. Or clear frame means at a time you will get a clear frame. In the same way, if you want to add a sticky notes, it looks very beautiful, like I want a sticky notes, writing that plants and TS plants, okay, and plants chapter is going to be started. Then save here, and it will be saved plant, like plants here, and it will look very beautiful. And then start talking about plants. Then you can increase the size, change the text, change the color also of the sticky notes. Images you can add here. If you want, especially in biology, if you want to make the students understand something about a special diagram that is given in the book, then already upload the image in your Google Drive or in computer, and then you can browse here that image and make the student understand about that image. So here circle, you can draw circle, and wherever you want to use it, you can use. Text box, I generally use text box because I have to type many things or definition in my own language, then I use the text box. This is a spotlight. So this is the Jamboard what we generally get on ITC board also. So these are the options. The best part is that while the students see these drawing, these explanation along with your writing or typing when you are using the text box also, and when you finish your work then it is saved in your Google Drive. जब आप अपने काम को इस पर सेव ख़त्म कर देते हैं तो ये आपके ड्राइव में सेव हो जाता है। और इफ़ आप बच्चे चाहेंगे कि मैं जो यहाँ लिखी हूँ, या आप छोटे बच्चों को यहाँ SW लिखकर और यहाँ दे सकते हैं। SW बच्चे देखते भी रहेंगे, कुछ बच्चे इमीडिएटली रिस्पॉन्स भी करते हैं, लाइक 5 + 5 = what, then they can answer, and you can give the SW here, and after that if you then स्टॉप दिस, अगर आप फिर इसको क्रॉस करेंगे तो ये जैमबोर्ड आपके गूगल ड्राइव में जाकर सेव हो जाएगा। सेव होने के बाद आप चाहें तो ये, मैं अगर जैसे ये अपने गूगल ड्राइव में जाती हूँ, इफ़ आई गो टू माई गूगल ड्राइव, सी it will see many Jamboards, however many I have deleted, and many Jamboards which I have used in the classes. Many options you can see here, Jamboard and that slide, and I have shared these Jamboards in the Google list. See, like this, this is Jamboard. I have used this for class 6 while writing, and I have given, making them understand, and I have given them homework also. And after finishing my class I share this link. You can share this link to the classes also, like go here, click to the classroom, classwork, then create assignment, create, and then click the add title. ऐड के बाद वो जैमबोर्ड आपके गूगल ड्राइव में सेव है। गूगल ड्राइव पे हम जाएंगे और गूगल ड्राइव से आप वो जैमबोर्ड को सेलेक्ट करके आप यहाँ डाल सकते हैं, जो कि जिसमें आपने होमवर्क दिया है। लाइक दिस Jamboard I have used it in the video. So here this Jamboard will be uploaded and the students will be able to see it if you have given homework. Means you are sharing and saving the blackboard that you used in your classroom during teaching the class. ये just मानिए blackboard है जो डिजिटली सेव हो गया आपके ड्राइव में भी, कि उस दिन मैंने क्या पढ़ाया, क्या समझाया और कैसे होमवर्क दिया था। So this is all about your Jamboard in your PC. While using your PC or laptop in Google Classroom, you can find it immediately at the 3 dots in your Google Classroom. But if you are using your mobile or mobile especially, then you will not find your Jamboard intact in the Google Classroom. You have to upload an app of Jamboard, but it is best for using it on laptop or PC. You will find this Jamboard option here by clicking here, and you will start first using Jamboard. Please share your screen so that this Jamboard can be seen by your students, and all the Jamboards will be saved in your Google Drive from the same mail from which you are taking your Google Classroom. Okay, thank you.